Hey everyone, today we are unlocking one of the coolest PowerPoint tricks ever, the flip card animation. Want to reveal a plot twist? Create a secret message? Build a quiz game? Flip cards are your new superpower. And the best part is, they are way easier than they look. So let's dive right in. First, we start with inserting a rounded rectangle. Nothing fancy yet, but trust me, this little shape is about to glow up. Let's make it gorgeous with a gradient. Right click, choose format shape and select gradient fill. I have already picked my colors, so my gradient is looking spicy already. If you want the exact shade, let me take the first gradient stop. You can copy the code or choose your own perfect colors. We can do the same for the second stop. Now, to take things up a notch, we will also add a gradient outline. Go to line, click on gradient line, and boom! Our rectangle is already looking sleek, cute, and aesthetic. Press Ctrl D to duplicate the rectangle. Adjust it a bit. Let's make another copy. Line them up neatly, like the three little soldiers getting ready for a mission. We will now beautify the new rectangles. To each one of them, we can add colorful gradients for both fill and outline. The process remains the same as we have done for our first rectangle. Here is the final result, and see, we now have three adorable shiny cards, each with its own personality. Time to bring the fun in. Let's add some cute little characters. Oh, look who is here! Our tiny angel, sipping tea, resting with her own healthy pumpkin. Same for the second card. Insert, adjust, resize. Just make sure characters across all the cards are roughly the same size, so the deck looks balanced. Decorate the last card, and ta-da! Our fun deck is ready. These three cartoon characters are holding secrets, big secrets. And the only way to reveal them is by flipping the cards. So what will come after flip? For that, we will create the back of these cards. Duplicate the slide, remove the characters. Now reposition the pumpkin neatly at the top center. Now it's time to reveal what these characters actually represent. No more mystery, no more drama. These angels hide the secrets of Gemini, ChatGPT, and Grok, our lovely three chatbots. I will add the descriptions to each one of them. You can choose the color of your liking, but make text a bit bold so it's readable and clear. And there you go. The back side of our cards are complete. And now comes the magic, the flip effect. Go back to the first slide. Each card is made up of three elements, so group them into single cards. Select all the three cards, go to Format, Shape Effects, 3D Rotation, and select Perspective Front. Repeat the exact same thing on the back side. First group each element, then select all the slides and apply Perspective Front. You might ask why we are doing this. Because this perspective effect gives each card a slightly 3D pop, like they are ready to jump off the screen. You can skip this, but trust me, it looks much better with it. Now, let's move to our next step. Cut the back slides and paste them exactly on the top of the card fronts. Adjust them slightly for perfect alignment. Look mysterious, right? Don't worry, it will make sense very soon. With the back card selected, go to 3D rotation and rotate them by 180 degrees along the x-axis. Now, the text will appear upside down. That's exactly what we want. Right-click and send these back cards to the back layer. Duplicate the slide. On the new slide, rotate the front card by 180 degrees and send it to the back. Now rotate the back cards by 359 degrees. This makes it readable again, but keeps the motion smooth. Now go to transition and apply morph effect. And boom! Your flip animation is ready. Let's go into presentation mode. Click and watch the little angel reveal her secret identity. How cute is that? You can even hit the back arrow to reverse the flip. Equally satisfying. Okay, now time to flip the remaining cards. Exit presentation mode. Duplicate slide. Rotate the front by 180 degree. Send to back. rotate the back side by 359 degree. Our green value is ready. Flip 1, flip 2. Let's do the same for the blue card. Duplicate the slide, rotate front card by 180 degree, send to back and rotate back card by 359 degree. Select our front card slide and go to presentation mode. And yes, we did it. Flip 1, flip 2, flip 3.